Papa. You said the sweet is done when it's ready to sell. But how do they decide what done means?
That's an excellent question. In Scrum, done has a clear definition.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Imagine two sweets. Both look ready, but one is properly cooked, packed, and labeled. The other is missing something. They look similar, but only one is completely done. In Scrum, the definition of done is a shared checklist. That means when the work is considered complete, what quality rules must be met, what ready really means. It removes confusion from within the team. The definition of done is agreed within the whole team. It's same for every team member and it is used every day. This way, done means same thing for everyone. In our sweet shop example, the definition of done can mean the sweet is fully cooked, the taste is properly checked, the packaging is perfect, the item is ready to be sold. If any step is missing, then it is not fully done. Without a proper definition of done, the work looks finished, but it is not. The quality becomes inconsistent and the team argues about completion. Definition of done brings trust and clarity. So remember this, guys. Done is not a feeling. It's a clear shared agreement within the team. If this explanation helped you, like this video, subscribe to my channel and put it on a comment. What do you want to learn next?
So everyone agrees first and then work is called done?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.